Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is well. Today I'm going to show you how to do the ML project or ML task. As usual, we do this project step by step. I will teach you how to do this project step by step. One thing I have a request for you. Watch this video until end. If you have not much time to watch this video until end, then use the 2x speed and let's start this video. Today we are going to using Gaggle for dataset and here is the data set house pricing prediction. I already downloaded this data set and also you need to download this data set. Okay, now let make the folders and files for this project. Let make. Now I make the folders and paste the data set also here. You watching the data set on the screen. Okay, now let make the Jupyter file. Jupyter file is important for task. Okay. Now let's write the first line of a notebook. I am going to writing the first line of notebook in markdown. Okay. This cell is markdown cell and I am writing house price prediction. Now let's import the libraries that are we need to do this project. Okay. The important libraries are pandas, numpy, matplotlib, seaborn and sklearn. You need all these libraries. Okay, also joblib and warnings. Okay, the libraries are imported. Let load the data set. As usual, we are going to using pandas function pd dot read csv. Okay, okay, I load the data set. You can watch here. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all and also like this video and thanks for watching. Let's see the data set. I mean explore data set. Let's explore. We need df.info function. Okay, I write. You watch here. Here are the 18 columns. Uh, if you uh, if you note the 0 to 7, okay, let's see the data set missing values. Null missing values in the data set. Okay, let next step. Let's go to next step. Now we are going to selecting features and target variables. Let's select. I am going to directly pasting my code here. Okay, I paste my code. You watch on the screen. Okay, let run this cell. Okay, okay, I run the cell. You watch here the columns. Okay, now this time we need to encode the data into numeric values. It is important for machine learning. Okay, we are also going to scaling the data and I scaled and encoded the data. Okay, by using pipeline. This whole code showing a pipeline. Okay, let's move to the next step of machine learning. Now I divide the data into train test. We are going to making the function where we fit the many models with the pipeline. We will train models then which give the best performance we will use. Okay, I choose the algorithms which we are use. Okay, I am looking the algorithms are imported. Okay, all algorithms are imported which we are going to using. Here are some things I not like, so I'm going to changing some things. Let's change. Let's go to next step. Next step is the evaluate and train the all models. So let's see. Okay, I pasted my code here in this cell. So let's run this. Okay, it running. I think it take some time. So let's see how much it take. Okay, it run out and now it is showing the uh, output, but I not like this output. So let's print the uh, R scores. I print out the R scores of models. You watching the model performance scores here. Okay, let's see which giving the best score. Gradient boosting giving best score. So we will choosing this. I mean gradient boosting algorithm. Let's see the plot of R square and all models. You watch on the screen, gradient boosting giving the best R square score. So it clear the gradient boosting is the best algorithm on this task on this data set. Especially, I think is best for this task. Let select the best model by using automatically function. Let's see which model it show. Okay, it's showing gradient boosting is the best. So let's save this model. Now let run this cell and then it save the model in the model folders. Let's see. Okay, it saved the model in the models folders. Now I am going to making a README file for this project. README file is important for to learn the project, right? I am going to making the README file by using agentic AI agentic workflow. So let make, please make fill up the README file by using train model.ipy and b, I mean Jupyter Notebook. Okay, it will see my Jupyter Notebook, then it will make the README file. Let look the boom of AI. I mean magic. Okay, it write all the README file material. So let keep the all things. Okay, here the README of the projects of this project. Okay, you easily read this README and then learn everything we will do. We done in this video. We done in this project. Here is the clean README. So this is the magic of the AI agentic. If you want to make the video on AI agentic workflow, I will make. So let tell me in the comment section. So this was our today video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then hit the like button and also subscribe button. Subscribe is free and like is also free. So we will meet again. Bye bye.